Hey there, pet lovers. Welcome back to our channel where we share all things about creating the perfect home for our furry friends. Today, we have got a special treat for you. We are diving deep into the world of pet friendly backyard ideas to help you to transform your outdoor space into a paradise for your four legged family members. So, grab your notepad because you are in for a paw-some adventure. Before we jump into the exciting ideas, let's talk about why having a pet friendly backyard is so crucial. Our pets need a safe and stimulating environment to thrive, and your backyard can be their heaven. The top priority is to keep your pets safe. We will discuss fencing options and landscaping tips to ensure your backyard is escape proof. Backyards provide the perfect space for your pets to burn off energy and stay mentally stimulated. We will explore activities and installation that promote play and exercise. Now that you understand the importance, let's dive into some creative ideas to design your pet friendly backyard. Learn which plants are safe for your pets and how to create a pet friendly garden filled with shade, vibrant colors, and textures. We will discuss the pros and cons of both options, artificial turf versus natural grass, and which one may be the suited for your pet's needs and your maintenance preferences. Many pets love water. Discover how to create a splash zone for a mini pool for your pets to cool off during hot summers. Now get ready to roll up your sleeves. We are diving into some DIY projects to create a dedicated play area for your pets. Turn your backyard into a canny obstacle course providing both physical and mental exercise. If you have cats, learn how to create a cafe, a safe and stimulating outdoor space for your feline friends. Build or buy pet safe play equipment like swings, tunnels, and climbing structures. We will also share tips how to identify and eliminate potential hazards in your backyard. Keep your backyard clean and safe with regular maintenance routines that suit your pet. Your pets also need a cozy place to relax, and you deserve a spot to enjoy your outdoor space too. Pet friendly furniture. Discover durable and stylish outdoor furniture that accommodates both you and your pets. Provide shade and shelter options for your pets so they can enjoy the outdoors in comfort. Well, there you have it, folks. With these fantastic pet friendly backyard ideas, you can create a heaven for your beloved pets while also enjoying a beautiful outdoor space for yourself. Remember, every pet is unique, so tailor your backyard to their specific needs and preferences. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more pet related content. If you have any questions or want to share your own pet friendly backyard tips, please leave a comment below. Until the next time, happy tail wagging and purring. Thank you.